Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off motion smoothness in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our motion smoothness of our screen, we have to go to settings, and under display we have motion smoothness right here. As you can see, by default it's set as adaptive. Our animation is a little bit smoother. Here we have our preview. Let's set it as standard to get a little bit better and longer battery life. Apply, and our screen has lost some frame rates, but our battery has gained some life. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.